Hello, John Modene at RE/MAX Masters, and I want to help you learn more about real estate here in Northwest Ohio. And today's topic for my NWO Real Estate Update is, why are these buyers forcing me to make repairs when selling my house? Why do I have to make repairs? Another great question. Number one, you do not have to. No one can force any homeowner to have to do anything, unless there's some extra legal reason or agreement that was put into effect a long time ago. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to sell your house. You don't have to move. Nobody can force you. Number two, you do have to want to do so. And the reason that you should want to make some repairs is so that you can get more money for your house, your property, your building, your investment. Number three, it is not uncommon for your agent, your buyer, or home inspector to discover some seemingly unknown and hidden defect that you as a homeowner did not know about. This happens all the time. It's very frequently a problem, and homeowners kind of feel violated. Why didn't I know? How come I didn't know? I should have known. No, that's okay that you didn't know that. That happens to everybody. And sometimes we get that information and we still sell the house as it is, as it sits. But sometimes the seller decides of their own volition to make a repair or change the agreed upon price. And I believe that this happens normally and usually in a free market system without threats or legal action. And you do it. Why? That's number four. Because right now it takes 2 years and $20,000, at least $20,000, to take someone to court in Wood or Lucas County with an attorney. It is not likely that a normal house buyer will get so exercised, so upset, so antagonized by you saying, I'm not going to fix this, even though I agreed I'd sell you the house in an inspection, that they will attempt the legal route to force you to fix something. 99.9% of the time, they just go away, they buy another house, they leave you with the knowledge of your problem that was hidden and now no longer is. So here's number five, why we fix things. So it becomes the wise and prudent choice to fix or deal with the issue that the buyer has paid their money for their future home to educate you about. So no one forces you to do it. You choose to do it because it's actually in your best interest. And when we fix that problem, whether it's big, small, or little, then we close the sale and you move on. The loss occurred when you got the knowledge of the problem, and you can either choose to live in the house or to repair it and sell it. And again, it's not a force issue. No one makes anyone do anything. So there you go. Hey, the real estate market is constantly changing, and it never stops. And we do things today in marketing and selling homes that were impossible to do 20 or so years ago. So my team is always changing too. And we're ready to help you and your family get the right help for your real estate problems. You might want to attend one of our seller seminars. You can find them online or just email or call me and I'll give you the date for the next one. We do them in Sylvania, Maumee, Perrysburg, and Waterville. And you could be my guest there. There's no charge, no obligation. Our team motto is simple: a tradition of trust in Northwest Ohio real estate. And this ethos works. It's based on proven biblical concepts, like always tell the truth and treat others better than they would want to be treated. So we can't wait to help more people buy, manage, sell, and grow their real estate holdings. So thanks for watching. If you need help, if you have a real estate question, if you want to sell or buy, you just have to call John. I'm at 419-466-SOLD. Check me out at 466sold.com, modene.com, or every house for sale in Toledo at mlstoledo.com. Thanks for watching.